6 masculine frames that you need to use in order to maintain a woman's attraction and get her obsessed with you. So, in this video today, the topic is going to be all about 6 ways that you can use masculine frame to do just that. This is what she wants, and this is what she needs. So, these masculine characteristics and behaviors might be counterintuitive, but deep down, this is what a woman really wants to see and experience from a man who she can trust, admire, respect, and be obsessed with. So click the link in the description below this video because I've got an entire course that I'm giving to you guys for free that delves into this subject in depth. So let's get started with frame number 1. Okay. Frame number 1 is that you require reciprocity. And what I mean here is that she cannot simply just get something for nothing. The way that you would actually do this in real life, as an example, is you would counter her requests with a request of your own. Even if she demands something that's small, to the tune of, hold my drink or hold my purse, that's fine. You can do these things for a woman, but to require reciprocity and demonstrate that you require reciprocity, you can say something simple like kiss on the cheek first. So this shows her that you're not a pushover, right? Because masculine frame is all about two things. It's all about having balls, and then it's all about having a spine. So this is one of those ways that you can show her that you have a spine and you're not a pushover. She wants to be attracted to you, and she must see that you have a spine. So she wants you to do things for her, but she doesn't want a simp. Okay, so that's frame number 1, is that you require reciprocity. Frame number 2 is that you have expectations of her. So what this means is that you don't just accept any and all of her behaviors, even if it's something small, right? For example, she's standing there talking to you with her arms crossed and is acting closed off. You would tell her in a playful way, you know what? I don't like that body language, as you're kind of like playfully unraveling her hands and uncrossing her arms. So what this does is it shows that you demand and expect receptivity, so you have expectations of how she behaves. Okay, so this lets her know that you have a spine, and then when she falls into this frame, or if she doesn't fall into this frame, like, hey, I don't really like this body language is really closed off, I don't really like that, and you kind of playfully unravel her arms. If she's actually like going against that grain, and she sees that because of that you're willing to walk away, she's going to have respect for you. Okay, so not all women are going to be attracted to you, but what a woman wants is a man that she can at least respect. And so if you can't start there, you've got nothing. All right, frame number 3 is that you don't need her. So this can be communicated with very simple things like being the one to end text message conversations. So when the conversation is getting stale, maybe it's dying out, or maybe it just isn't going your way for whatever reason, hit the last message with a like. Hit the last message with a heart. Hit the last message with a response that says ha ha. Okay, so be the one to end text message conversations. So this shows her that you're not needy. You don't need to continue to talk with her. You don't need to have this conversation with her. She wants a man that is emotionally self-reliant. Frame number 4 is that you're not afraid of losing her. So the way that this can be communicated or demonstrated is by telling her a hard truth about something that she doesn't want to hear. So when she asks you a question like, are you seeing other women? Be honest with her and tell her yes. Okay, she doesn't want a man that will just tell her what she wants to hear. She wants a man that has strength of character and values his word at all times, even if it doesn't necessarily feel good. So most guys lie. Most guys just tell women what they want to hear, and they can pick up on that. And that's a sign of weakness. Okay, she wants to be attracted to a man who has strength, and that's going to actually cause her to have trust, even if it's something that she doesn't want to hear. So that's frame number 4. It's that you're not afraid of losing her. All right, and frame number 5 is that you're not afraid to challenge her. So ask her tough questions about something that actually matters. For example, Ask a woman a direct question like, how is your relationship with your father? And make her give you a genuine answer about that, right? Like, she wants a man that knows what he wants, what he is and is not willing to accept, and will actually disqualify somebody that isn't a good fit and won't just take what he can get. All right. So it shows her that you're a discerning man with options and standards. You are screening her. And most men are always kind of stuck on the other side of this, like with the whole dynamic flipped around. All right. And the last frame is frame number 6, which is you're not afraid to deny her. And this means denying her of something that she wants, even if it's something that's seemingly innocent. So, for example, she might say, "Babe, will you stay the night at my house? I'll cook breakfast for you. Come over to mine and let's do a sleepover." Most guys cave into this and just say yes, where the answer should be no. You've got a business to work on. You have a routine that you need to stick to. You have a sleep schedule that you need to adhere by. Okay, she doesn't want a man that will just give her whatever she wants all the time. So this shows her that there are things in your life more important than her. She wants to feel safe, allowing you to take the lead, and she'll value what you give to her more. So don't be afraid to deny her of something that she wants, even if it's something that is seemingly innocent. That's frame number 6. So hopefully these 6 frames are helpful. Like I said, if you want to learn more about these topics and subjects of developing masculinity and improving your frame, I've got an entire course that's on this subject. The link is in the description below. I'm giving it to you guys for free. I think you're going to really like it. So click on that link and check it out. Peace.